Are you looking for practical and useful household gadgets that can make your daily life easier? This video showcases 20 Amazon household gadgets that are truly worth buying. I've picked items that stand out for their quality, usefulness, and value. I have listed the best options to help you decide what's right for your home. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video are in the description below. Make sure to check them out and let me know in the comments which gadgets caught your attention. SwitchBot Button Pusher. Effortlessly automate your home with this versatile device that works seamlessly with rocker switches and one-way buttons. Transform appliances like coffee machines and air conditioners into smart gadgets via Bluetooth. Easy to install in seconds using the included 3M sticker, it offers battery life up to 600 days with minimal use. Schedule timers directly through the app or enable voice control with a hub sold separately for convenience and full remote access. Mutter Finger Vegetable Peeler. Crafted with a durable stainless steel blade and ergonomic rubber grip, this tool simplifies peeling fruits and vegetables. Its ring-like design fits snugly on your finger, ensuring safety with a built-in insulation board. Lightweight and portable, it efficiently peels a variety of produce like carrots, potatoes, and zucchini while protecting your hands. Perfect for quick food prep, it provides a comfortable grip for effortless use without slipping or discomfort. Yinn Wireless Charger. Upgrade your charging experience with this 5-in-1 station designed for multiple Apple and Android devices. It powers iPhones, Apple Watches, AirPods, and iPads with a 36 watts adapter for fast, simultaneous charging. Featuring a sleek, space-saving design, it organizes devices neatly while maintaining a tidy workspace. Equipped with additional USB and Type-C ports, it simplifies your setup and ensures all devices are ready to go with minimal effort. OANG Portable Folding Table. Create the perfect outdoor cooking setup with this convenient folding table. Its lightweight, portable design offers a compact yet sturdy surface for your pizza oven or other essentials. The commercial-grade stainless steel top and powder-coated carbon steel frame ensure durability and style. Ideal for backyard parties or balcony use, it folds flat for easy storage and transport, adding efficiency and versatility to your culinary adventures. OANG Flat Mop. Simplify cleaning with this innovative flat mop and bucket set. Featuring a squeegee mechanism for easy wringing, it's perfect for hard surfaces, windows, and baseboards. The wide mop head provides extensive coverage for faster cleaning, while the scraping blade tackles dirt and hair effortlessly. The foldable bucket includes wheels for portability and saves space with its collapsible design, ensuring long-lasting durability for all your cleaning needs. Retail Blade Dual Food Dispenser. Upgrade your kitchen storage with this modern dry food dispenser, featuring dual 2-liter containers. Dispense perfect portions with a twist, whether it's cereal, nuts, candy, or pet food, all while preserving freshness for over a month. Its sleek design adds style to your space and provides a fun, practical way to organize your pantry. An easy-to-use solution for family mealtime or snack prep, it's sure to impress. Ototo Foldable Small Kitchen Funnel. Add a quirky touch to your kitchen with this mushroom-shaped silicone funnel. Its wide mouth design makes pouring liquids mess-free, while its flexible material ensures durability and BPA-free safety. Fold it flat for easy storage when not in use. Dishwasher safe and compact, it's a practical tool for transferring liquids or powders between containers, whether you're at home or on the go. Dex Can Opener. Experience effortless can opening with this arthritis-friendly tool designed for maximum ease and control. Its ergonomic handle and minimal force requirements make it perfect for seniors or those with limited hand strength. Whether opening soda cans or pet food, it's a versatile and comfortable gadget. This durable opener is an essential daily aid for people with arthritis or hand tremors, providing both convenience and independence. Yinn Bath and Shower Safety Mats. Stay safe and comfortable with this extra-large, non-slip bath mat. Featuring 200 suction cups for secure placement, it ensures stability on smooth surfaces while offering a gentle massage experience. The mat's durable material and pebble-like design add a touch of luxury to your bathroom. With 176 drain holes for efficient water circulation, it's machine washable for easy maintenance and long-lasting hygiene. Garor Fabric Shaver. Maintain your clothing with this rechargeable lint remover, offering up to 80 minutes of runtime per charge. Powered by a high-speed motor, it eliminates fuzz and pills quickly without clogging. 3 shaving hole sizes accommodate different fabrics, while a detachable lint container simplifies cleanup. Compatible with multiple charging methods, it's perfect for keeping sweaters, coats, and upholstery looking fresh and renewed. Fenco Ionic Hair Dryer. Equipped with a powerful 110,000 RPM brushless motor, this device delivers fast drying with no heat damage, ensuring your hair stays healthy. It releases 200 million negative ions to reduce frizz and enhance shine, leaving hair soft and silky. Compact and lightweight, it's perfect for home or travel, operating at a quiet 59 decibel. Features include 4 intelligent temperature settings, 2 speed options, and color-coded LED indicators for ultimate customization and convenience. Veia Neck Reading Light. Lightweight at just 3.6 ounces, this hands-free light wraps comfortably around your neck for targeted illumination during reading or crafting. Its 9 brightness modes and 3 color temperatures ensure optimal lighting for various needs, while advanced LED beads filter blue light to protect your eyes. Designed with a one-button off function for easy use, this versatile tool folds into any shape, making it a practical companion for hobbies or late-night reading sessions. Sharple Knife Scissors Sharpener. Offering a 3-stage sharpening system, this tool restores knives and scissors with tungsten carbide for quick edge setting and ceramic blades for fine honing. A robust suction base doubles the safety by securely attaching to surfaces, allowing hands-free operation. Compact and user-friendly, it's ideal for any kitchen, saving space without compromising functionality. Simply press the switch to activate its secure suction and sharpen with ease for professional-level results. TacGA Chip Clips. Featuring an upgraded wide opening, these durable clips make sealing bags easier than ever. Crafted from high-quality, odorless material, they offer a strong grip with non-slip rubber cushion tips for comfortable handling. Their ribbed teeth design ensures airtight sealing, keeping food fresh and protected from moisture. With a mix of vibrant colors and various sizes, these clips are perfect for everyday kitchen use and freezer storage. Swan UV Toothbrush Sanitizer. Delivering 99.9% effective cleaning in just 3 minutes, this UV toothbrush holder eliminates germs to keep your brush hygienic. Its automatic disinfection system includes a turbo heating fan for gentle drying while maintaining bristle integrity. The adjustable silicone clip fits all toothbrush types, and a rechargeable USB design ensures portability. Compact and travel-friendly, it's a reliable solution for maintaining oral hygiene at home or on the go. Byal Vegetable Chopper. This chopper simplifies meal prep by slicing and dicing soft vegetables and fruits effortlessly. Save time and energy with consistent, uniform results, perfect for salads and healthy dishes. Its compact design is ideal for small kitchens, providing a space-saving solution. Easy to use and maintain, this tool makes incorporating fresh produce into meals hassle-free, encouraging healthier eating habits in a fraction of the time. Nexa Ease Travel Steamer Iron. Combining steamer, iron, and steam iron functions, this versatile tool works on flat, hanging, and clip ironing for all fabric types. Compact and lightweight, it's a travel essential that heats up in just 15 seconds, delivering powerful steam without soaking clothes. Features include a 360-degree leak-proof design, 1-button operation, and a 6-foot cord for convenience. Its mini size and portability make it perfect for maintaining wrinkle-free clothing on the go. Keebly Garlic Press Rocker. Designed with an ergonomic handle, this stainless steel tool ensures a comfortable grip even when wet. Its high-quality construction resists rust and deformation, providing durability for crushing garlic, nuts, seeds, or spices. The included silicone peeler and cleaning brush simplify preparation and cleanup, while its compact size makes storage easy. Versatile and sturdy, it even functions as a bottle opener, making it a must-have for efficient kitchen use. Colar Dish Scraper. Crafted with a hard nylon edge, this scraper tackles baked-on messes with ease, while its soft silicone edge is safe for non-stick cookware. Heat-resistant up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and stain-resistant, It's durable enough for tough tasks, yet gentle on delicate surfaces. With a convenient hanging hole for storage, it's a practical addition to any kitchen for effortless cleaning and maintenance. Zins Luggage Strap. Made with a durable, soft elastic band, this strap securely holds luggage and bags of various sizes. Its proprietary buckle design ensures easy use, providing adjustable length for versatility. Compact and portable, it can be carried in a bag or pocket for convenience. Whether strapping suitcases together or tightening individual bags, this strap is a reliable travel companion that offers both functionality and style. From game-changing convenience to clever space savers, these 20 Amazon household gadgets prove that small innovations can make a big impact on your daily life. Whether you're upgrading your kitchen, tidying up your home, or just looking for smart solutions to simplify chores, these gadgets are truly worth adding to your cart. Ready to grab yours? Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and exclusive deals. If this video made your life a little easier, give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated on all our latest content, tips, and reviews.